Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Galaxy J7 Prime. So in this particular video, we'll see about the latest update being seeded by Samsung to our beloved handset, that is Galaxy J7 Prime. So let's proceed with that. So on my screen, you are able to view that I've just opened the software update section, and these are the change logs and so on. So nothing major has been mentioned, only the security patch level has been updated to 1st April 2020. And previous to that, the last update that was seeded on my phone was in the month of November 2019. And the security patch level of that particular update was, I think, 1st of October 2019. So now let's begin with the installation process or downloading process. So again, if we'll go by changelog, nothing major has been mentioned, so there is no need to discuss. But if after installing this particular update, if you will face any problem or any issue, then do let me know, and I'll try my level best to work on those issues. And if I find any resolution, I'll surely be creating a video on that as well. So let me tap on download button. So you can even view that this particular update is hardly at 30.79 MB. So let me repeat you again that it's hardly 31 MB. So in this 31 MB, you can assume that it is hardly a security patch level, and again our phone is in Android Oreo, so there would be like I would say hardly a chances of any vulnerability which has been patched here and so on. So now this update has been successfully downloaded, and now it is asking to install now. So let me tap it, and afterward it will check some integrity check, and after preparing to update, and finally it will initiate the installation process. So finally the phone has been rebooted. Now it will initiate the installation process. So on my screen, you are able to view that installing system update. So now for this particular section, do not play with power button or volume rocker buttons till the time this particular process has been completed. And apart to this, I will really recommend that at least have a 50% of battery on your phone, because it's always good to have that, because sometime if you will face any issue while installation, then your phone should be able to revert it back. In case of low battery backup, that might break your phone, and that will be a problem at your side. So now let's wait till the time this particular installation process will complete, and afterward we'll verify whether any new bloatware is been added or not, although there are almost nil chances, but we'll surely verify it. So let's wait till that time. So update installation process is almost on the verge of completion, and as soon as it will be completed, the phone will be rebooted, and afterward it will optimize the installed app on your phone, be it system wide or any other custom apps that you might have installed via Google Play Store or any other sources and so on. So you just have to wait till that time, and again I will recommend not to play with any of the available key buttons, be it power button, home key, or volume rocker buttons and so on. So again, now phone has been rebooted. Now it will move to the optimization section, or I would say optimizing apps section. So finally, Android is upgrading or optimizing apps. So according to my installed app, it is hardly a counter of 75. So it will hardly take a minute to optimize everything. If it's more than that at your side, then have some patience and complete. Wait till the time it will complete, and afterward it will directly boot into the home screen. So as earlier I mentioned you that after completing that optimization process, it will boot to the home screen, and now on my home screen you are able to view that finishing Android update, and it will take some time to complete in the background. But in the meantime, let's move to the settings sections to confirm the latest security patch. So let's move to setting, then afterward about, and in about we have to move to software information, and inside that. So finally the Android security patch level has been updated to 1st April 2020, which was earlier as 1st October 2019. And apart to this, it's always good that after installing any update, again do check for the update section, because sometime, although there are always nil chances, but sometime companies or OEM or manufacturers does seed the back-to-back updates and so on. So in the background it is checking for the update, and so connecting to server and so on. So let's wait. I think there might be no update, that's why it is not showing us anything. But apart to this, now it is again finishing the Android update, updating connecting to the software update and so on. Let's see if there is any other bloatware added. No, so there is no any other bloatware has been added after this particular update. So this was all from my side related to the very latest update, and most probably this would be the very last update for our Galaxy J7 Prime, until and unless if they will found any major vulnerability or any issue, but most probably this will be a last update. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.